Hey guys, welcome to Python video series. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about the nested dictionary. A dictionary can contain list of dictionary, right? That is called nested dictionary. Let's see how we can create a nested dictionary. Let's say I would like to create a list of persons. I would say persons, and inside that this I can create a list of dictionary again, right? Let's say I would create a dictionary is called Persian, sorry, Persian 1, and simply you have to give the colon and curly bracket open and close. Here you can specify key value pairs. Let's say name, and name I'm going to specify KK, and second attribute for this dictionary I'm going to specify, let's say, age, right? Age is, let's say, 30. Now in similar fashion we can create many other dictionary inside the dictionary. So here you have to just put the comma and create another dictionary. Let's say give the name as let's say give the name as person 2. Let me do indentation person 2, and then similarly I'm going to create one more dictionary inside this dictionary. So we have basically three dictionaries, right? One side one dictionary. So this is person 1, person 2, person 3. Of course you have to give the different dictionary name, and here value also I'm going to change. Let's say this is 31, 32 age, and let's say EK, and let's say SK. So we have one dictionary. Inside that we have a three dictionaries, right? If you try to print, right, this dictionary persons, and let's see how it gets printed. Now it is printing. So here we have a complete dictionary. Inside the dictionary we have a first dictionary, then we have a second dictionary, and we have a third dictionary, something like that, right? So this is the first way to create a nested dictionary, but there is also another way to create the dictionary. So something like that. So here I'm going to create our second approach. You can create a dictionary. First of all, three dictionary. I'm going to create three dictionary like person 1, right? And similarly you can create a person 2. So let's say this is person 2, and this is person 3, person 3, right? Let's say change the value as well. Okay, so now we have a three dictionary, a small dictionary, and this dictionary I want to use inside another dictionary. So let's say I'm going to create, let's say, persons 2, right? And inside this curly bracket open and close, and again a dictionary always holds the key value pairs, right? So here key I'm going to specify, let's say, person 1, person 1, and colon you have to specify the value. So value I would like to use this one, person 1, right? Similarly I will put comma, and second element, let's say person 2, and we have a person 2 already. This is person 2 we have already, right? And similarly we can have a third element within the dictionary, that is called person 3, right? And that's it. If you want, you can put some more elements. Now if I try to print this persons 2, then it will print the dictionary same as this one, how we had. Let me show you. So if I run, then here you can see both dictionaries are same. But the way we have created this one, both are a little different, right? Now all the concept what we have learned related to the dictionary, that always works for the nested dictionary as well, right? Let's say I would like to iterate this one, right? Then we can use the for loop, and we can have a key, and we can have a value, right? So value in keyword we have to use, and then persons, right? Persons 2, that's the dictionary name, right? And we can call the items, and we can print, let's say, key, comma, and let's say I would like to print something like this, colon. Just I would like to print the value. Key and value should be separated with a colon. And now if I run, let me give the some output separator. If I try to run, then here you'll see this will print key value pairs. Here is this is the key and this is the value. Key value pairs we have printed, right? So that's how basically, even though if you have a nested dictionary, but all the concept what we have learned till yet regarding the dictionary, all those concept applies for the nested dictionary as well. So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you and see you there in the next video tutorial.